Hello everyone, it's day 7 of Festival Days. Festivals fill our hearts with love and light. Let's see what today's celebration is all about. Question 1. What is the traditional oil lamp used during Diwali called? A. Mashal, B. Deepak or Diya, C. Pradeep, or D. Aarti? The correct option is B. Deepak or Diya. Question 2. Which Indian ruler started celebrating Diwali after returning from jail, leading to Bandi Chhor Divas? A. Maharana Pratap, B. Guru Hargobind Ji, C. Chandragupta Maurya, or D. Ashoka? The correct option is B. Guru Hargobind Ji. Question 3. Which celestial event often coincides with Diwali night? A. New moon Amavasya, B. Full moon Purnima, C. Eclipse, or D. Equinox? The correct option is option A. New moon Amavasya. Question 4. In some parts of India, Diwali also marks the new year of which community? A. Sikh, B. Jain, C. Buddhist, or D. Parsi? The correct option is B. Jain. Question 5. Who helped Lord Rama build the bridge to Lanka? A. Hanuman, B. Jambavan, C. Nala and Neela, or D. Sugriva? The correct option is C. Nala and Neela. Question 6. Which festival marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile? A. Holi, B. Diwali, C. Dussehra, or D. Onam? The correct option is B. Diwali. Question 7. What is the traditional flower used in Diwali decorations? A. Jasmine, B. Marigold, C. Lotus, or D. Rose? The correct option is B. Marigold. Question 8. Which Indian city is famous for its Dev Deepavali, where the ghats are lit with thousands of lamps? A. Haridwar, B. Rishikesh, C. Varanasi, or D. Ujjain? The correct option is C. Varanasi. Question 9. Which demon was killed by Lord Krishna on the same day as Naraka Chaturdashi Diwali Eve? A. Kamsa, B. Narkasura, C. Putana, or D. Jarasandha? The correct option is B. Narkasura. Question 10. In northern India, Diwali also celebrates which king's return to his capital? A. Harishchandra, B. Vikramaditya, C. Lord Rama, or D. Dashratha? The correct option is C. Lord Rama. Question 11. What is commonly drawn at the entrance of homes during Diwali for prosperity? A. Swastika, B. Om symbol, C. Rangoli, or D. Footprints? The correct option is C. Rangoli. Question 12. Which day during Diwali week is dedicated to brothers and sisters? A. Dhanteras, B. Bhai Dooj, C. Govardhan Puja, or D. Choti Diwali? The correct option is B. Bhai Dooj. Question 13. In Gujarat, which god is worshipped during Diwali as a symbol of wisdom and new beginnings? A. Vishnu, B. Ganesha, C. Kartikeya, or D. Hanuman? The correct option is B. Ganesha. Question 14. What is the main reason behind lighting crackers during Diwali traditionally? A. Celebration of war victory. B. Symbolizing joy and energy. C. To ward off evil spirits. Or D. To mark the new season. The correct option is C. To ward off evil spirits. Question 15. The festival of Dussehra falls in which Hindu lunar month? A. Shravan. B. Kartik. C. Ashwin. Or D. Falgun. The correct option is C. Ashwin. That wraps up day 7. Keep spreading festive cheer. Like, share, and subscribe to join us again tomorrow.